Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at touch accommodations on iPhone, a fantastic accessibility feature for those who need more control or precision with touch gestures. If you find it tricky to tap or swipe on your screen, this feature is for you. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down and select Accessibility to access the various accessibility features. And in the accessibility menu, you have to tap on the touch option located under the physical and motor section. This will take you to all the touch related settings for customizing how your iPhone responds. And then you have to tap on touch accommodations and you have to toggle this switch to enable it. You will now see several options appear, allowing you to customize how touch input works. Here is a quick rundown of the main customization options. Hold duration. If you need to hold down for a certain amount of time to register a touch, enable hold duration. Use the slider to set how long you need to touch before the iPhone recognizes it. Ignore repeat. This setting prevents accidental double taps from being registered. Enable it and then use the slider to set the time interval depending on your needs. Tap assistance. You can choose use initial touch location or use final touch location to decide where the iPhone registers the first place you touch or where you lift your finger. This is helpful if you struggle with tapping accurately. And now it's time to test your settings. Then you have to play around with these settings and test them out. Adjust each one until you find what works best for your needs, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily set up touch accommodations on your iPhone to your heart's liking. It's a great way to make your iPhone easier to use if you need a bit more touch control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.